Alright, here's the on your own video. For this one, number 1, it looks like negative 4 over 9z. They have common denominator, so that was pretty simple. Let's take a look at the next one. Common denominators as well. So I have 3w plus 1 plus w over w minus 1. Combine like terms, you get 4w plus 1 over w minus 1. Next one, they have common denominators, so it looks like just x plus 3 minus 1 over x squared plus x minus 2. So you get x plus 2 over x squared plus x minus 2. Alright, and then number 4, just find the LCD. So this first one, if I were to break it down, I'm going to show you guys in highlighter so it's easier to notice as well. It's going to be 28g cubed. So remember, break it apart and do the numbers. 7 and 4 LCD is 28. G and G cubed, you look for your highest one is G cubed. Okay. The next one, so this is like our other example. If you have a binomial by monomial, it's always, you just multiply them out. It's like n times n plus 1 is going to be your LCD. This one, remember, factor. So t squared minus 4t minus 2t plus 2. And if you were to find the LCD, well, both have a t minus 2, so that's not your LCD. But the left one has a t plus 2, the right one does not. So your LCD is going to be t minus 2, t plus 2. You could always multiply things into it. You can never take it out. Number 7, remember, factor this out. This one's going to be a little tricky. If you factor this out, you get negative 6, negative 1. Whoops. Negative 3, 2. So you have x minus 3, x plus 2. Well, you're like, well, what's the LCD? The left one has an x plus 2. Right one doesn't have an x plus 2, so let's add that one in. But the right one has an x. Just an x by itself. The left one doesn't, so let's add that one in. So that's my LCD. LCD is x times x minus 3 times x plus 2. The order doesn't matter. Why? Because it is multiplication. So you're always trying to figure out what does the left one have, what does the right one not have, and just adding them in as necessary. All right, moving on to number 8. So I have x plus 5 minus 2, x plus 5 over 3x cubed minus 2 over 9x squared. LCD is going to be 9x cubed. So what do I have to multiply this first one by if I want 9x cubed? So it looks like I have to multiply by 3 over 3. This next one is just x over x, right? So it'd be 3 times x plus 5 minus 2x over 9x cubed. Now that they have common denominators, let's combine them. I'm just going to use a distributive property as well. And I get x plus 15 over 9x cubed. Next one as well, LCD, it looks like k plus 1, k minus 2, so multiply this one by k plus 1, k plus 1, k minus 2, k minus 2, so it looks like 2k times k minus 2 over k minus 2, k plus 1, plus k times k plus 1 over k minus 2, k plus 1. Wow, that was a lot of work. All right, now let's use a distributive property, combine like terms, simplify. So it looks like 2k squared minus 4k plus k squared plus k all over. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm just going to use copy and paste. Oops. And combine like terms. It looks like I have 3k squared minus 3k, right, over k minus 2k plus 1, and I could take the GCF out of the top, right? My GCF is 3k, so if I take out a 3k, I'm left with k minus 1 on top over k minus 2 over k plus 1. So that would technically be the simplified version. That was a lot of work. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to pop in the Zoom sessions if you do. Last but not least, remember y squared minus 64, that is a perfect square binomial. So you have y minus 8y plus 8 The left one has a y minus 8, the right one doesn't, so let's multiply by y minus 8. Let's rewrite it, so 3y minus 1 over, I'm going to copy this one as well. So for this, it's subtraction, so minus 3 times y minus 8 over y minus 8y plus 8. So now let's keep going. Minus 3 y minus 24. Remember, every time you do subtraction, I would always put it in parentheses because it just helps with the negatives and all of that. So you have 3y minus 1 minus 3y plus 24 all over y minus 8y plus 8. And it looks like my 3y, negative 3y cancel out. I'm just left with 23 over y minus 8y plus 8. And I don't think I can simplify that more. So that is my simplified expression. Alright, well, hopefully I was able to explain and walk through all of this with you guys. If you still have questions, come to the Zoom session today. If not, you can always text me, remind, message me at Schoology. I'll reply. I will reply back Wednesday, or if it's not too late, I would say just come Tuesday, and then if not, Thursday. Stay safe, take care, see you guys later. Bye-bye.